Hello guys, today we are going to change starter motor on Volvo D13. To change the starter motor, first thing we have to do is to remove the ground from the battery. You can see there's a lot of corrosion, but we're gonna clean it after. But first, just remove the powers, make sure there's no ground connected to the battery. You can either remove power or either ground, but you have to remove it completely. So remove it, and then we're gonna start taking out the starter motor. So now we can open the power and the ground from the starter motor. Just put 19 millimeter here and just open it. Okay. This is the power. Okay, so the power wire, and now we need to open the ground. The 19, there we need to use a wrench. So let me put the light there. This is number 19. We need to open number 19. Okay. Okay, so this wire I cannot remove because there's a pipe going on. There's a coolant pipe is running there. So I can't really remove the line because it's gonna hit here. So I have to remove the starter motor to do that. So the power cables are out, and the wire here, this one we can remove it after, and you can see his damage here because I hit with the hammer. It wasn't starting, so I hit it and I start the truck and bring in the garage. So this one I will cut it from here. So now we can open the starter motor. So this is number 80. So this bolt is open. There's two more left. We can open them now. So now we can open this one, this bolt. So to open this, you need extension and the socket and the extension, the big extension. So just put it on the wrench. So just put it like that. So just lose it a bit. Okay, there you go. So now we can put the air ratchet. There you go. So there's the three of them, but whoever changed the starter motor before, he did not put the third one. Most of the mechanics, they don't put the third one. The third one is behind. I'm gonna show you. Let me hold the phone. The third one is it's hard to see. It's kind of hidden. But the third one is behind there, somewhere there, inside here. So it's behind. If the bolt is there, you have to put the socket through here from the back. From here you have to put the socket from here. Exactly is there. You have to put with the long extension, put it there and open the bolt, the nut. But usually in the mechanics they don't put, but I never put the bolt back, the third one, because it's kind of hard to open. These two are easily, but that is the one is hard. And the second thing, if you have so many wires attached here, like some of them trucks have so many wires attached here, they give the power from the starter to the truck. So make sure when you open the power, you put the tie wrap in all the wires, so you don't mix them up. So put the tie wraps in all the wires. And the most of the trucks you can remove this wire too, but in my truck there is a coolant line passing, so I can't open. But you can make sure you put the tie wraps. And this wire, some of the starters have only one wire, like you can see there's one wire, but some of them have two wires coming from the ignition. But if you have a one wire, you don't have to worry, just put the one wire this side, and the ground is already coming. You can see the ground is already coming here. This is the ground. They already took the ground from the starter, so you don't have to put the second wire that is coming from the ignition. Just put the one wire here, that's it. So you will be good to go. And this is the main problem. This thing is fucked up. You can see it's moving. So I'd rather change whole starter, because if it in case it's stuck on the road, it will be expensive. So this is how you open the starter motor. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it back. It's the same thing, like it's easy. Just remove it like that, pull it out and put it down, and put the another one inside. That's it. So guys, this is the bolt I was talking about. This bolt is not there, so somebody remove and then put it back. So we're not gonna put it back. Let's put the starter motor. There you go. So this is how you guys change the starter motor. Just put the ground on the ground, power on the power, ground on the ground. Ground is this, power is this. Just put it there, connect these two wires, and put the wire that comes from the ignition, the single wire. If you have a double wire, just put one wire here and the second wire it goes inside. So it's kind of now impossible. You have to open these two bolts, two nut, put it. That's how you change it. So that's pretty much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please comment below. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.